haul from AliExpress, and this is a rant. I'm so disappointed with the items I got because although they're cheap, my thing said the quality would be a lot better, but them scam me.
Louis out. Louis out.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a mini haul, but I will be ranting in this video because I ordered some stuff off of AliExpress and I am so disappointed. They look nothing like the items I ordered, so that I think was a total scam. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, please stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me any comments in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into the video. So the first item I got was what I thought was a sweatshirt, right? And I'm gonna insert a picture here so you guys can see the outfit. So the picture that I saw on the website, they paired it with a black leather pants and some I think it was Louis Vuitton boots. I also have those boots, so I'm like, yeah, this is gonna look cute. Yeah man, I can dress this up on thing. But what I got was this ugly looking thing. What is this? I don't know if this is a cat, if it's a tiger, if it's a lion, if it's a zebra, if it's a monkey, if it's a cat. I don't know what it is, but the material is so ugly. Look at this. This is like polyester. I thought it was like cotton or something more refined, but look at this. This is so cheap. So cheap. And it smells so bad. Oh my god, the scent is so bad. So this is a bummer. I hate it. I don't know. I'll probably give it to someone else if they like it, but I personally don't like it, so I don't think I'm going to be wearing it at all. Okay? The second item I picked up is this maxi dress, right? And again, on the website, the picture was so fabulous. I love the print, okay, because I'm a sucker for maxi dresses. Like, I just love those. They're easy to wear, they're comfortable, they're flowy, and like I said, I'm going to Jamaica, so I'm looking for some easy, clean, cheap wear, yeah? But this I ordered in a size medium or small, medium, and let me tell you, it could fit me and like 6 of my other friends. This is so huge, and I love the print. I love the print. Again, I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like on the website compared to what I got. Now, what is this? This is a whole house. This is a whole house. Okay? This could not fit me by a long shot. I am so disappointed with this. This is so huge. Like, this looked like a triple XL, and I'm not lying. I'm not even lying. It is so baggy. I'm gonna throw it on over my clothes so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It is super huge. Let me try to put it on real quick. This dress is beyond. Look at this. Look at this. And it is so long, like, I don't know what this is, but this cannot fit at all. This could not fit at all. So this is also a bomber, but this I like. The material is also cheap, but it's a maxi dress, so I'm not gonna ask too much of it. So I'm gonna try to take this to my seamstress and see if she can do some adjustment for me and bring it down to my size. So I don't know, like a big shower curtain or something. All right, moving on. The next item I picked up was this, well, what I thought was a t-shirt dress. You know those oversized t-shirts that you can wear with dress and you can dress them up with boots? When I saw it on the website, I was also excited because I'm like, yeah, I could dress these up with some boots and, you know, they would look cute and whatever. No, honey, this is also polyester material. And on the side, it did say Moschino, okay? Or how some people pronounce it, Moschino. This is Oshimo. What is this? Oshino?
Moschino? Seriously?
Again, it's another cheap polyester material. I hate it. This is the picture of the dress that I saw on the website. Look how sexy that girl be looking, and look what they sent to me. It's totally different. The name on the front is not what was on the website. So this is another bummer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, cause no honey, no. I don't know why I decided to order off AliExpress. I mean, they have scammed me in hair extensions before. They have scammed me in shoes, and I did get scammed already with clothes. So I'm not even sure why I went ahead and tried to order. But I'm thinking, like, you know, everything has changed. It's been a few years since I've ordered anything. So I thought they would have, you know, step up to the plate, and everything is changing, seeing that a lot of people is ordering off that website right now, but obviously not. This is a romper, and I like it. This fit me very well, and this is a picture of what it looks like on the website, so that catch my attention. I was thinking of wearing this to an all-white party. I love the print on it. It's like little signatures and stuff. So I'm like, yeah, this is pretty cute. But when I got it, the material is so thin. Like, I can literally see through this material. It is very, 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 very thin. I might have to wear it at night, but it fits well. The only problem I'm having with it is that it is super thin. So this is not so bad, but again, on the website it looked like it was like linen, like real refined linen, but it's not so. It's not too bad, but this is still not what I was expecting for the romper. So the next item I got is this sequin pants, this black sequin pants, and when I saw it on the website, I was so in love with the pants. I mean, it looks so chic, so sexy, so different. Like, you could really stand out in something like this. In the waist, it has a lot of stretch, as you can see. I did went and order a medium, but this fit like a double XL, and I'm far from that, okay? It came with pockets on both sides, but what I love the most about the pants is the tie that it has around the ankle. So you're able to wrap this around and then you can tie it in a bow. And I thought that was super cute and it would look super sexy because I already envisioned how I'm gonna dress it up. But when I got the pants, it is way too oversized, like way too big. All right, it also came with some reeling and a lot of the sequins was already falling off, and I was like, oh my god, really, really. And this wasn't so cheap. I think this was like 30 something dollars, so it's not like, oh, it's super cheap and, you know, I got my money's worth. This is like almost $35, so this is a, you know, a fair price for a pants, really. But I'm so disappointed because this is too big. However, again, I'm gonna try to give it to my seamstress and see if she can help me with paring it down to my size. So hopefully that work and I don't have to get rid of it altogether. Next on my not so happy shop list is this tee. And I love it because, you know, it has a picture of Vogue. So I think the material would be so soft and comfy and, you know, very cotton-like. But this again is another cheap polyester material. You know, when I saw the shirt, I was excited, you know, because like my Zara tees, when I'm wearing my Zara tees, I wear those with confidence. They feel good on my skin and they look good. But this, not so much. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with it. I might wear it, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it with that much confidence. It is okay, but the material is pretty bad. You know, pretty bad. The stitching, like the thread, it's all over. It's not so refined, and I'm just so not happy with that. I ordered a small and this looked like a large, so I don't understand. And it's very stretchy, you know. I do not like this material at all. I'm not sure what I can do with this, but it is what it is. I think I've learned my lesson now. Okay, and the last item I want to show you is another tee, and I love this. You know, it's like, you know, get your money, girls power, boss up, because I love to wear my tees. When I'm in Jamaica, I just put on a tee with some jeans, pair with my flip-flops or some loafers or something, and I just go. I like to just be free and flowy and airy when I'm just doing, you know, my daytime running around and stuff like that. But again, this is another jacked up t-shirt. Look at the neckline. This is so wide. Like, look at this. This is so wide. The picture, it is so stiff and rough. It feels like canvas. That's how bad it is feeling. It feels so bad, like canvas. I love the painting. I love the picture rather, but it is just too, it's not refined. It is really not refined. And the t-shirt again is another cheap material. So, you know, after one wear, these t-shirts are just done. Like done. Oh. I'm so disappointed. So now I might have to go ahead and get some other stuff because I might not take these with me, or if my seamstress is able to help me by adjusting a few of them so they can fit me, then, you know, I might wear them. But like these tees and stuff, like, I'm just really not sure. I am really not sure. So if you guys want to find out if I wear these items or not, be sure to follow me on my Instagram page, which is Shellyposh_outstanding. Tell me what you guys think. Please leave me some comments in the description bar below. Let me know what you guys like from what you don't like. Let me know if you guys are in my position, like what would you do? You just throw these things out, or you would try to make use of them? I don't know. I am so disappointed right now. So, you know, maybe later on when I calm down and I'm able to put my thoughts together, then I might be able to think of how I can best pair them for them not to look so cheap or so bad. But for now, I am so hungry. because they going with my coins and I'm left with basically nothing, you know. AliExpress, I'm done. I'm really done. All right, so that concludes my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video.